So we're on our way today back up to Nador, to the port. But we're not sailing today, we're sailing tomorrow. And we've just stopped halfway along the road at this place for some lunch. Apparently it's a pizzeria, so never had a Moroccan pizza before, but today is the day. Cars are looking like they've been to the desert. Although I kind of like that. I'm hoping it doesn't rain on the way home because I want to keep all the Sahara dust on the pearl until I get back. There's a Moroccan pizza with chips on it. And pasta. And pasta. Stairs at this place. A lot of stairs, only going down to then go back up to get to the restaurant over there. But brings me to my next point. We have arrived today at our destination. Didn't film a lot today because I was very tired this morning. It was actually a tad hungover, to be honest, if I'm going to be brutally honest, trying to get run over. But today we drove 5.5 hours north to essentially Nador, to get the ferry, which is where we're heading to tomorrow. So tomorrow we're sailing at 4 p.m. But basically I didn't film a huge amount today because I was very, very tired. But it was a good day. There were some incredible roads. But now it's dinner time.
In the high-vis chest.
Yeah, I know.
He's just like...
Lovely. What a beautiful drive we've had today.
Yeah.
Looking forward to a lovely meal.
Another lovely Moroccan meal.
I'm waiting for the couscous.
Una patata frita and salad.
Excellent.
Excellent, my friend. ¿Cómo se llama?